What definitely won't happen to you when you sneeze?
You won't have a 16th of an orgasm.
Isn't it a tenth?
Is it a tenth?
That might be inflation, I don't know.
Is there a little thrill to be had from sneezing?
Apparently, well, that was the myth, that if you sneezed, you just go...
You can't physically sneeze with your eyes open, isn't that right?
Yeah, well, we did say that sneezing with your eyes open can't make them pop out, but in fact, that is not entirely correct. If you have something called floppy eyelid syndrome, a sneeze can, in fact, force your eyeball out of your socket.
And we're all going to have a go.
Like this. So it'll be like that, and then you... and out, say... So there's a technical name for it. So if your eyeball actually pops out spontaneously...
Whoa!
Spontaneous globe luxation is what it's called. So mostly obese men get this syndrome where your eyelid can pop out, so the upper eyelid becomes very floppy and it's easily turned inside out. What would the medical advice be if your eyeball popped out?
Oh.
Pop it
Put
back.
it on ice.
Get it back in as quickly as possible. Yeah, no, don't put it on ice. I think it's still attached, most likely.
If it's still attached...
Yeah.
Look round corners that you couldn't previously look round.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
Keeping an eye on you. I think the main advice is to get a medical person to do it, don't you? And apparently they use a tool that looks a bit like a bent paperclip, which I think could be... Yes! It has happened. There was an American basketball player called Akil Mitchell in early 2017.
No.
He got poked in the eye during a game. He fell to the ground. He was clutching his face. And he described afterwards he knew something was wrong because he could feel his eyeball on his cheek and could still see out of his
Oh, my God.
Have they popped it back
They
in
popped
all
back.
right?
He's absolutely fine now.
Can you just do it with your finger? Do you need the paper?
No, you do, my
clip
advice
thing?
is to...
If it
Honestly,
happens...
this is a moment for a doctor. If you have a child and one of their eyeballs fall out, don't go, darling, stop fussing and... I don't think...